we created the world's most dynamic SUV. The wider body creates a strong presence that goes beyond its vehicle class. The high-tech lighting is full of surprises. The slanted character line signifies a sense of speed. The muscular volume and sharp edges express a sense of toughness. Each color shows off its own charm. This is Tucson, Hyundai's new design philosophy. The world's first parametric hidden lamp, integrated into the radiator grille, offers surprise and fun every time. The three-dimensional grille sparkles like a jewel, revealing different colors depending on the viewing angle. The long and clean hood without the parting line is elegant. The bumper grille and chrome finish complete a dynamic image. The harmony of bold shapes and precise details. The horizontal rear combination lamp creates expectations of high tech. The consistent, subtle details hint at a refined, urban feeling. The hidden rear wiper evokes amazement. The smoothly embedded Hyundai emblem emits the pride of Hyundai. The detailed bumper completes the high-tech rear design. Impressive design from up close and afar. The long hood and sleek roofline boast a new, dynamic profile. The unique chrome line drops like a sporty coupe. The sharp character line is reminiscent of a nimble movement. The angled wheel arc and the muscular fender volume shows refined strength. The harmony of full volume and edge lines. Hyundai, sensuous sportiness. The first thing you see in the driver's seat is the wide view and smooth top of the crash pad. The refined center fascia is designed in the shape of a cascading waterfall. The wraparound structure that seems to embrace passengers offers a comforting feel. The slim air vent and silver garnish spread horizontally for an elegant look. The open cluster and full touchscreen are high-tech and convenient to use. The ambient mood lighting in the storage space is practical. The nimble silver line stretches to the rear door and gives off the vibe of extension. The materials and the high-tech details of the Tucson go beyond its vehicle class, providing continual satisfaction. The harmony of comfortable openness and advanced technologies. Hyundai, sensuous sportiness.